All righty. Anyway, so here's the picture. You see, so it's a bagpiper in a canoe. The early days of colonization. So anyway, exploring. I'm not sure, but that might even be a picture of what the Lewis and Clark expedition. I'll look that up. Yeah. You see, it's the bagpiper right there. Yeah.
They came up through here. Lewis and Clark. My sister up in Idaho, there's a Clarkston and there's a Lewiston. My sister lived in.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah.
Well,
they got out that far. Yeah.
Now they might. I don't know if they came. The Snake River is not far from here, and it kind of goes all over.
Yeah.
They did the Snake River.
Oh, okay. Anyway.
Definitely the Columbia.
Anyway, so all right. So Shanachal Neshekana. Daniel Tuluk Shan Ersan Yunsikast. Okay. Yeah. And you aren't too old to learn yet. Okay. So I saw that today, and so that kind of tickled me. Daniel Tuluk Shan Ersan Yunsikast. Okay. So anyway. So we can keep on learning even we're in advanced stages. So and actually that's what's recommended. It keeps the mind young. So anyway, that's the
But what about how they say you can't teach an old dog new tricks?
Yeah. Maybe you can't teach an old dog that, but you can teach an old human.
Exactly.
Yeah. Because the mind is human mind is very flexible.
Yeah.
But and there have been people who have well, it's not totally about achievement, but have learned new tricks at an old age. I mean, started doing art or writing or business, started a business empire in their 60s and 70s. And so, so the idea is to stay young in your mind.
Yeah.
Yeah. So anyway. All right. Okay. And this week, this is a story that we'll take a look at. It's an old book, The Tale of the Cauldron. Okay. So it's an illustrated book. It's got some very nice artwork in it. And it's in Gaelic with English translation. So as we go through it, try to ignore the English, at least at the beginning. And so we'll take a look at the Gaelic, and then, and then you have the English translation there to help you. Okay. This one was printed in 1927. So anyway.
Dundee.
Scalige Chura. Okay, Scalige Chura. The Tale of the Cauldron, the story of the cauldron. Okay, so now no.
That's what I needed on my computer.
Yeah, 'cause it was hard. The written was hard to see. Yeah.
Right. Yeah. Well, if you're looking at it in Word, you can make it bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah. But on a piece of paper, no.
Yeah. Right. Yeah. They should. Maybe by next week I'll type it out and we have a typed version. But anyway, what, can you see this now?
Yes.
Okay. But Ben Tuanich Ansigel Ur Agus va Cora Echa. Okay, so Va Ben Tuanich, okay, wife of a farmer, Ben Tuanich.
Oh, okay.
Tuanich, okay. Tuanach would be a farmer. Okay, Tuanich would be the would be the genitive. Ben Tuanich ounce of Gale talk, and we know what the Gale talk is, right?
Mhm.
Ur,
Ooh.
once. Okay, so that's related to words like newer, anurshin. I guess bakora echa. Kora. Like a,
Quarter.
yeah, kora, like a pot or a cauldron. In this case, is being translated as a cauldron. And then echa, at her. She had a pot. Okay.
Mm.
Hikik ben Hia, ahulala. Yeah, so go ahead and say this after me.
Okay.
Hikik ben Hia,
Ik heb been hier.
Yeah.
ahulala,
Ahula la.
ayiri chora.
A yiri quarter.
Uh-huh. Okay. So hikik. So I'll talk about this next week. So we have a lot of opportunities for expanding our grammar, but right here, would come. One of the ways that you can form the either the conditional or the past continuous, hikik. Okay, from the verb chick, and we get a chian, va'iachian. Okay, a chian, the same word. Okay, hikik ben hia. Okay, a fairy wife of a fairy, ben hia.
In here.
Okay, now, so one of the things that you might recognize from this is we get an English word from this. Can anybody guess what it is? Ben hia, ban.
A banshee.
Banshee, that's right.
Oh, okay.
Banshee. Yeah,
The
banshee.
Irish word is.
Yeah. What comes from the Gaelic? Okay,
Yeah.
bana. Okay, female. Okay, she. Okay, a female fairy. Banshee. Okay, a hula
Banshees are kind of wild.
And scary and dangerous.
Well, not always. The fairy folk in English, very often it's interpreted that way. But the
Yeah.
fairy folk in Scotland and in Ireland too, varied in terms of how wild they were, how dangerous they were, how friendly they were. So we've had songs about fairy lovers, humans in love with fairies, fairies kidnapping humans and keeping them for a while. Remember we've had stories with fiddlers, who wander into a fairy party and fiddle for the night, and then they come out and they find out it's 20 years later. So
Well, I saw Darby O'Gill in The Little People, and that banshee was very scary.
Yeah.
yeah.
Sean Connery's movie.
Yeah, right. Yeah, okay. Well, I don't know if we can count on Disney for
I know, really.
accurate retelling of but the thing about the fairy folk is they could be dangerous or they could be friendly, so it varied.
I get the sense that Scottish people are really into fairy life.
Yeah.
Do you think there's people that believe in it more so than Americans?
Right. I've talked to Gaels, and and if they're talking frankly to you, and they won't do it if they think that you're Sassenach.
Goodness.
Yeah.
Okay.
No
so
English people.
they're worried about being scoffed at, but some of them do believe it.
Yeah. To some extent. I've talked to very intelligent, educated, like Western educated at the university, PhDs, who do believe in things like second sight, who do believe in the spirit world. You know, they do
And
believe-
fairies.
fairies in a certain extent, okay?
Uh-huh.
You know, not necessarily fairies these days, but the spirit world and the existence of a world that's so sort of like fairies, but not necessarily fairies that pass into our world.
Okay, so it's not like Bigfoot for us,
No, no,
where
no.
some believe he's real, some don't.
Yeah, yeah. But it's like, you know, they believe in a spiritual world, and that's not Christian.
Yeah. Okay.
I
Yeah,
was just
that-
gonna ask that. Does it go hand in hand or not?
Yes, it
necessarily?
does. Yes, and that's very
It does?
interesting. Yeah, some of them believe in both. I
Huh.
mean, you know, so they're very Christian, and they watch out for the fairies. you know, yeah. So yeah. So yeah, and it does go hand in hand. You know, so they anyway. So hikik ben hia, ahulala, a yiri achora. Okay, wanting. So today we'd say a
Wanting.
giri, yeah,
Yeah.
ag and then iri, a giri, achora. Okay, wanting the cauldron. So she came every day wanting the cauldron. Han aprachi, Smith, Chanapraki, she would not say a word. Right here, translated, she used to not say a word. She used not, that's kind of an awkward translation.
Yeah.
Aprachi, she would not say a word. Aprak, apr would be the root word to say. We know it as agra. Okay, that's the verbal noun, agra. Smitch, smitch is a little bit.
Like
Okay.
a smidge. Don't we
Hey,
say
a smidge.
Mhm.
Smidge, very, very good. Yeah, like a smidge. Yeah.
Miss it.
Yeah, yeah. Anur ehikiki, okay, when she would come, a hikik, here we have hikik again. Akverich I er achora. Okay, veriki would seize, would take. Verich. Okay, and again, we have the, so maybe that's a good lesson for next week. We'll take a look at the, at the conditional. Yeah, because we haven't done that yet. So, and there's a couple different ways to form the conditional, and it's either conditional or in this case, well, translated as would seize, it's translated as the, as past tense habitual. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You know, she would see, she would do this, and just like it sounds in English, you know, every time she came, she would do this. Okay. Okay. Er achora. So veriki er achora, sees on the cauldron. Okay. Anur averiki. Okay. Again, conditional. Averiki er achora. Herich benentaya. Okay. These days we'd say benentaya, sorry, benentaya, and it would be spelled with an A, T-A-I-G-H, okay. Herich, she would say. Her would be the future of to say, will say, and then the conditional herich benentaya. Gelesnes goa gul, go irin fur avroik. Okay, so try that. Delesi goa gul,
Leslie Goa.
Leslie
Gul.
Goa
gul,
Gul
go irin fur avroik,
Iren for a
Iren
week.
voor a
vroik.
work.
Delesi kora krive,
Leslie Kura.
Leslie
Cry.
voor a
krive,
cry.
so hurslan guchech.
Chakra
So
San Golech.
voor slaan go check.
Uh-huh. And let's see.
One.
Okay. Okay, so let's see, go. A smith has a right to coals. Okay, let's see, Goa to be a smith. Deserves a smith Goa, gul, coal, gehiren fur avruik. In order to heat iron fur, iron cold, to cook to heat. Okay, so we got that a few weeks ago, Brik, right? And we saw it in what was the story that they read on Gruffalo, Brik.
Mhm.
One of the
Brick.
animals was going to be Brik. Okay, was that your Shinnik? Okay, Shinnik Brik. Delesi Kora Krive. Okay. Ode to the cauldron is bones. Okay. Zuhurslan Guchek. Okay. And to return healthy to the owner. Okay.
Oh, yeah, I recognize Slan, but I wasn't. Oh, right.
Zuhurslan, healthy or whole, safe and sound. Okay.
Okay.
Not literally,
Oh, okay.
but yeah.
Well, you know how sometimes like they'll make bone broth now, it's very popular. Is that what that means? It's
What?
like,
I'm sorry?
you know how it's like bone broth now is very, you know, like my sister would take after Thanksgiving, she would take the turkey bones,
Hmm.
Yeah.
boil them. Is that kind of what it's saying or no? That's meaning a human bone, like a human.
Yeah, I
person.
think so. Yeah, I think you're right. Yeah, I didn't make that connection. Yeah, but I think you're right. Talking about making bone broth.
Yeah.
Lisi Kora Krive. Okay, so the Kora deserves bones. Okay. All right. Yeah. Or is kind of like she's saying it's owed bones, or we should put bones in it, or needs the bones, something like that. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, so Hikik then here. So the-
Hikikavin here.
Yeah, I've been here.
Then here. Okay, so the fairy wife Ir Ara Shahulala.
Yeah, has
Ra-
Hulala.
Ra
Ahula.
She used to come back
Ahulala.
every day. Hulala. Okay. Lesh Akora.
There's a quarter.
With the
Lesh
cauldron. So
Akora.
she'd return it every day. She came and got it, and then she'd return it. Agus Fiol is Kraven out.
Agus fuel is
Uh,
graven out.
Yeah, with meat and bones in it.
Well, and again, like you do with to make what are they split pea soup? How you get like a ham bone with the ham on
That's
it?
right.
still?
Yeah. Only she'd bring it back. She wasn't just taking the cauldron. She'd take it and use it, I guess, and then bring it back with food in it. So
Bring back some soup.
yeah, bring back some soup. Fuel is craven out. Okay. Yeah. Fuel meat. Right here it says flesh meat, but it just meat. Okay. So
Fuel.
yeah, fuel. And sometimes you'll see it modified. Mukhyol. Okay. I can let me.
So what kind of meat it would have fuel?
Yeah.
Like if it was beef, it would be.
Well, beef would be mostly fuel, but
Mhm.
but then you have so you can see my other screen here, right? Okay, yeah.
So you wouldn't say fuel kerk or
Mukhyol.
fuel
Yeah,
mook
mukhyol.
fuel.
Mook.
Okay, that's
would be
pork.
Yeah. Mukhyol.
I see.
Okay, yeah. Yol. I think you
Bull
have
fuel.
yol
Bird
lamb.
or chicken.
Oh,
Oh, lamb. Sorry.
Yeah. Now
Their
chicken,
bird is very
yeah.
similar.
yeah, chicken would just be kerk.
okay.
But yeah, I mean,
Oh, okay.
but there are a couple of different ways that you can modify it. Okay. So here's the picture. So she's one day. Okay, so Lavan Shin.
Lavanchen.
Lavan Shin.
Lavanchin.
Yeah, something like a day there was there, something like that, or just
Okay.
as in English, one day. Va Benantaya,
Bomenentire.
Bentaya.
Ersan Dol,
Ersandol.
Sundol.
okay, Va Benantaya, Ersan Dol, okay.
son dol.
Now have we had this? Er son, Hami, er son, a goal. I want to go. Okay. Let's say I want to, Hami, er son junior. I want dinner. So literally it is Hami, not hat, hat, Hami, or son, okay. I am for. So you can think of it, er son means for, okay. It sometimes means because, but Hami or son a goal, Hami or son junior, I want something. So I'm, and in English we have the phrase, well, I'm for that. I'm all for
Yeah.
going to the movies or something like that. I'm all for that. So
Yeah.
so it's another way to say Hami Agiri, Hami or son.
Mm.
Okay.
Oh, neat.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, Hami or son. So where are we? So your son, these days we'd say a goal, har an ashik. Har an
An Ashik,
Ashik would be ferry, the other kind of ferry, the ferry
the
that
boat,
takes you
the
across-
boat,
Yes,
the boat
boat. Ambata.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
Dovala Castle.
the Balakashel,
Balakashel.
Okay, so castle, literally castle town, town of the castle. Okay. I guess Hirsti,
August
August
Hursty,
Hursty.
Hirsti said she
Reaffair.
affair, okay,
Reaffair,
to her husband, to her man, okay, fair, okay.
I do have a
Re-
question. Oh,
What?
go ahead. I
Huh?
do have a question. I'm
Yeah.
looking at Good Wife, basically. Okay, Ben Antaya,
Housewife.
housewife.
Yeah,
But
wife of the house.
okay, but the E at the end, it's not like, like Tyvek.
there should have been it'd be TAI, he said.
Yeah, yeah, well,
Okay.
yeah. These
So
days,
that's what we generally know. Look like.
Ben on Taya, Ben and Taya.
It would still have that E at the end then.
Yes.
Wife of the house. Yeah. Tie, the root word is tie,
Mhm.
genitive, that's the
Ah,
possessive,
So that's a how much fun thing, and you're gonna learn it in Duolingo, but it's a lot of fun.
yeah, is Taya,
okay, because okay.
wife of the house. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So, and I haven't talked extensively. We've encountered it a couple times, but haven't talked about it. Maybe that's one of the upcoming lessons. Get into the genitive. But Ben and Taya. Okay. So sometimes, very often, the word changes form when it goes into what we call the genitive. That's the possessive. Okay. Okay. So that's why she's Ben and Taya. Okay. And right here, the spelling is different nowadays than T.
Oh,
Okay.
Okay.
It's right now it's TAI. Okay. And it's
mm.
but it takes on the added E. Okay. But it changes pronunciation. So that's kind of interesting. Okay. So we pronounce it tie in the what's called the nominative in the root form, but Ben and Taya in the genitive. Okay, so Hirsti re affair. Re is a way to say to somebody. So you say something to somebody, and you Brian re speak to. Okay, so we see that re being used in that sense. Okay. Okay. Maher Usa Rishaven Hia.
Mahehusa Risa Ben
Rishaven
Shia.
Shia.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. and I'll explain this. Rish, well, Rish takes on an S if there's a definite article, like a the. Okay, now why is that? What's one of the reasons?
Versus re. Versus
they don't-
re above.
Because they don't like vowels next to each other.
You don't like vowels. Don't you be hanging out with those
You have to
other
have a consonant and a vowel.
Yeah,
re
not nice.
ventea. I'll put it in modern. To a wife. Okay, re ventea. To the wife. Okay, so
Mm.
Risha ventea. Okay, so Rish. Okay, okay, okay. All right. Okay. Okay, so where are we? So, okay. So then Hia, okay, Risha Van Hia to the fairy woman, okay. And Ma would be if, okay, if you will say, Maher Usa Risha Van Hia, Maraher Misha, what I say, or as I say, okay. Falavi mi do venachastro. Okay.
Olive meat.
Follow me to hostel.
Uh-huh.
Gosh.
Okay. Falavi, okay. Will go away. Okay. Falavi. Okay. So have we talked about the simple future?
I think so.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Maybe we'll come back and review it. But the simple future is the root verb plus. Okay, so what can we do? Okay. Bully me. I will hit Koshiki me.
I will walk.
I will walk, and etc. You know, so you see that. Now, what did I get wrong? Oh, it's just not in my dictionary. Okay, koshiki. Koshik would be the root word. Koshik walk. Koshiki me. Okay. Okay. So all right. So falavi me. I will go away to Valakasto. Okay. Oh, hair.
Oh, hair.
Okay, so that's just a one word yes. Yeah.
Oh, hair.
Oh yeah. So I will say hair. Okay. 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 Ars essen. So we've
Ars,
encountered
yeah.
ars before, right? Okay.
Yep.
Is kinchik
Oh, yes. Saith.
gurmi a hair? Is kinchik
Is
And chinche,
kinchik.
gurmi a hair?
Gurmi
give me a
a
hair.
hair.
Uh-huh. Is certainly that it is me who will say. Okay, it's kinshik. So here we have the assertive verb. Okay, is ma ahai. Okay, is good that it is. Okay, so we have the assertive verb is followed by an adjective. Okay, so it's one of the ways that we can emphasize in Gaelic. You know, we shift the adjective. It's good that it is. Okay, so right here is kinshik is certain. Gur mi a hair. That it is I who will say. Okay. Okay, gurmi, gur. Okay. Okay, so the gur, okay, gur equals something like shay me a hair. Shay. Okay. Only it's the subordinate clause. Okay, it's that it is me rather than it is me. Okay, okay. So is kinchik Gurmi a hair. Okay. And then right here, mata.
Mata.
Mata. Okay.
Mata. Well then,
Yeah, well then. Okay, mata. Okay. Ars Isha. She
Ars
said.
Isha.
Arshita,
Okay, yeah, and that's Isha, the emphatic. She said, okay. Valavi mi do valakasho,
follow
Follow
me,
di do vala cascio.
agus galafi.
Follow.
Galafi.
follow
Yeah,
me,
yeah,
August follow me.
Galafi. Yeah, Galaf. So this is the past tense.
Olive.
Yeah, of Falaf. Okay, and this is how you form the past tense of F plus vowel words. Okay, that's the equivalent of the lenition. So we've learned that the past tense of a not F word, okay? Like, well, again, I'll go to bool, hit, vool, okay? Well,
Or ghoul.
yeah, okay. So koshik and choshik,
Mm.
okay? Walk and walked, okay?
Mhm.
Hit, so I'll put strike and struck. Okay, you know, bool is vool. Okay?
Oh,
So,
yeah,
yeah,
because you can't lenite the F, right?
that's right. So you can't lenite the F, A. Okay, so so the pass is the DH F plus vowel. Let's see, Galaf, Galaf. Okay, okay, yeah. So it's DH FH plus vowel, whatever the vowel is. I mean, you know, so there's a few vowels. Now this is a hard one to say. Fosco,
Oscar.
open, and the past tense would be DH FHO. Golsko.
Goal school.
Oscar.
Yeah, yeah. So you see, so one of the things that this does is this gives the in essence gives a handle. Okay, gives a handle to the vowel, because otherwise that vowel just kind of sitting out there, and you know, so so it's not really marked.
It'd be
But
like
the-
Oscar, but you
Yeah,
can't.
Oscal or something like that. Yeah, and just kind of awkward to say. And so the DH
Okay.
Ross, it gives it a Ross, you know, gives it that unvoiced guttural, that soft guttural.
Mhm.
And this is similar to past of vowel verbs. So ol, drink,
Mhm.
goal,
Yo.
Yeah, goal.
drink,
Oh.
drink.
Drink.
Uh-huh.
And eat starts with a vowel too, right?
Yeah, yeah. Let's see.
Ether.
Well, ached,
Listen.
yeah, would be
Engaged.
engaged. Listened. You see, so yeah, so you have that DH, and that's effectively leniting it. So it's a different way to lenite it. But like I
Mhm.
said, you know, one way to think about it, you know, is it gives a handle to that otherwise vowel that would just kind of be floating out there.
Mhm.
So you have the DH, hashed. Okay. Okay, there you go. Okay, so that's how and another way to think about this, you know, the F word an F word, okay, not a bad
Uh-oh.
F word.
Don't say the F word.
Yeah, but is that the F word by itself, an F vowel word, an F vowel word by itself. Let's see, F plus vowel. Oh, F lenited plus vowel.
The F disappears.
Yeah, yeah. The F disappears, and so aleph. So Falaf.
So it needs a framework.
Yeah, needs a frame. Yeah, very good. Just becomes aleph, and so
Yeah.
so it doesn't really work. Okay. Now, this isn't the case with all F word nouns. You don't have this issue. So Feli equals kilt, and so we'd
Mhm.
say anali. Okay, the kilt. So
Say it again.
anali,
Unhaly.
yeah.
Unali.
Anali. So it just disappears totally.
Okay,
with
so
a noun.
sometimes it does.
Yeah, with a noun. Okay.
Oh,
not
with a
the verb.
noun.
Yeah,
I
with the
see.
noun, anali, the kilt.
There's no past tense kilt.
That's right. Past tense kilt. Okay. Let's see. Oh, okay. Yeah. And sometimes it disappears by itself. So Eckel, so we know Eckel, right?
Yeah,
Echo.
echo.
Beer.
Beer.
Sometimes you'll see it, especially in old writing, as feckle.
Feckle.
Oh.
Okay. Old form of fear. You see, so probably what happened is over time, people were saying Aneckel, which just became
Oh.
Aneckel.
Mm.
Okay, yeah. So just
So fear the noun or fear the verb?
fear the noun.
To be fearful.
Yeah, ekkelach.
Past tense was fearful.
Va ekkel air. Yeah, so remember, a lot of the emotions are not felt, or not actions.
Uh-huh. They're
Here-
on you.
Yeah, they're on you. That's right.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So it's not a verb. It's something that's on you.
Right. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That makes more sense.
Yeah.
It's following the rule, sort of.
Yeah. Anyway, okay. So. let's go back.
Okay, yeah. I thought I was picking up on a rule and I'm like, wait, is it doing it? And it is if it's a thing that's on you.
Right.
It's-
Yeah.
You're
it's
not
on
the
you.
action of fearing is not the
right,
verb.
Right. Yeah. I don't think there is an action of fearing. And or if there is, it's just kind of out there very remotely and never used. Okay. To fear something. Va ekkel el ro an leon. Okay. Va ekkel ron loan. Okay. Was fear on him before the lion. Okay. He was afraid of the lion.
Mm.
Yeah. So and fear is, and if you're afraid of something, you're afraid before it. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So on him. We can say Seamus. But ekkel Seamus run loan. No, row on loan. Okay. Fear was on him. I'll put
James.
that. Yeah. James. Yeah. Okay. Right. Ekkel Seamus. Okay. Bliva. Say Mata Falavi do Valakasto, the town of the castle. Okay. So here translated as castle town, but it literally means town of the castle. Okay. I guess Galafi. Oh yeah, so that's where we left off.
I guess gallery.
Yeah, and she left. Equality. Yeah, okay. So here she is. Follow me. Okay, all right, okay.
That's the fairy wife, or is that's the housewife?
Yeah.
That's the housewife next. You see
Oh,
the fairy
I
wife
think I
next.
okay, I
Next
think I
picture.
see the fairy wife.
It's fine.
Yeah,
He's
yeah.
tiny, the little
And-
green
yeah,
one.
Yeah.
They're wearing the same kilt, the same plaid.
Yeah, okay, yeah, okay. There's the Ben Shia. Okay, the Ben Shia.
Benshia.
Okay.
She's
Ben Shia.
flying.
Okay, so Jagek Essen Anish Nahuner.
Ja, ze is een Anissa
Gakik
Hua.
Anish
Nahuner.
Uner.
Huna.
Okay, so okay, so he was left. Gagik, okay, so he was left. Okay. Essen, he,
Essen.
emphatic. Anish,
Anish.
okay, now Nahuner by himself.
Nahuner.
Nahuner, okay.
Oh, I'm hearing an H.
Yeah, I'm putting an H in there because I think nowadays we'd say Nahuner. I think nowadays
Okay.
we'd say, yeah,
Yeah, because they don't want those two vowels together.
that's
Yeah,
right.
NA and
Yeah,
the
yeah.
A.
I'd say Nahuner. Okay. In his aloneness, something like
Aloneness.
that. Yeah. Un, of course, means one, right?
One. Yeah.
Yeah. Uneranach.
His oneness. Yeah.
One with himself.
In his singularity.
Yeah, in his singularity. Alone. Okay. Solitary, something like that. Okay. Uneranach. And again, you have the uner. Yeah, so that uner forms, the root of,
Nahuner.
many words like that. So Nahuner, okay.
Nahuner.
Hoshike is oper.
Hoshik
Hoshik
er oper.
Okay, so Hoshike er oper. You might also see it. Hoshik, well, Hoshik would be Hoshik to begin, or began is the past tense. Okay, began, and then er oper. These days, let's see. You see something like Hoshik a oper, a koper, to work. Okay, so though literally, this is, I think, an older way to say this, and though literally it means something like he began on working. Okay, but today we'd say Hoshike Achoper. He began to work. Okay, Hoshike Erloper. By Sneeve.
By a sneeze.
Sneeve.
Schiemen Ruhig. Schiemen Fruig.
Shima Freud.
Schiemen Fruig.
Fruig. Yeah, Fruig. Okay.
Fruig.
Yeah, you have to get that.
That's Heather.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. Thatching rope made out of heather.
Schiemen is the rope.
Yeah,
Schiemen
Schiemen.
means the rope.
Yeah. What does that mean? Exactly. Okay, let me see. Schiemen. A rope made from plant fibers. Yeah. Schiemen. Okay. Schiemen. Okay. Schiemen Ruhig, Fruig, heather rope. Schiemen Konlich, straw rope.
Straw rope.
Yeah, you see, so yeah.
Kora.
Korahiemen, straw rope or spinner twister. Okay. Yeah, so Schiemen, a kind of rope. And then it can be modified. So Schiemen Fruig. Okay. Now why is it Schiemen Vierenach? Okay, yeah, okay. Schiemen Fruig. Okay, via Sneeve. Now, one thing, so the other day, all sorts of, when you're procrastinating, you go on YouTube and you start watching all these interesting little videos.
Yeah.
And something that people are very interested in these days, and and it is interesting, I think, is how they used to do stuff. And so a couple of guys were hand making a rope.
Uh-huh.
I mean, like with ancient tools. And so, so they gather the flax and they beat it, and then, they beat it and they thresh it. They beat it and break it into, fine little strings, and then they twist it together, and then they twist those things together, and then they have, and so it's really fascinating. So it's a lot of work. I mean, so when you see, I mean, what went into hand making stuff, well, I mean, so that's what he's doing. I mean, so it's a whole day just to make a rope or something like that. So anyway, so via sneeve, schiemen fruich, gus a tuchig a gauw.
Goose and hook and chow.
Gus een tuchig a gauw, eren tie.
Tie.
Eren tie. Okay. Yeah. So right here they're spelling tie without the A.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So that's just an older way of spelling it. But
Old Gaelic, New
Yeah.
Gaelic.
Gus an tuchig a gauw, an tuig, not tuchig, I'm sorry, tuig
Tui.
a gauw.
Tuig.
The thatch, the thatch. The thatch.
Tuig a gauw.
Yeah, so of course they'd have the thatched roof. And then what they do is they'd have the ropes, and they'd string the rope across the thatch and tie the end of the rope to a stone.
I've seen it. I've seen it over there.
And they'd anchor the thatch with the rope and the stone hanging.
Because too much wind.
Yeah, right. A lot of wind. Yeah, okay. Gus an tuig a gauw. Gus, in order to, on tuig, the thatch, to tie, to bind. Okay, so here we have a fronting of the object. Okay, so of the infinitive, so we'd say something like, in order to bind the thatch. In Gaelic, it's in order the thatch to bind.
To be bound.
Well, to bind. Okay, but this is what I'm talking about. We have a fronting of the object. A fronting of the object, okay? And then tie, okay? Anur a huniki.
Huniki.
An a huniki.
When he saw a hunik, okay, hunik, when he saw Ben Achian.
Benachian.
Benachian.
Ben Achian, a woman coming, Achian, coming, okay, Vayi Achian. Vafalish akasen.
Falish.
Falish.
Akasen.
Okay, Falish, I'd always translate that as something like sweat, but here it's shimmering. Okay, so it's a kind of a shimmering from her feet, from Akasan.
Well,
Okay.
they say women glow, not sweat.
Yeah, they glow. That's right, glowing. Okay, okay. So do we get? Yeah, a little glowing around her feet. Okay. Okay. August. Vashul Shia Echa.
Shushia.
Okay. Okay, so this is an interesting word, shul shia.
Shushia.
Shul is traveling, okay, and shia, of course, is ferry. So there, she had a
Ferry
ferry
traveling.
traveling. Yeah, Echa, she had a ferry traveling. Okay.
Sit on
Yeah.
your-
So it's not the verb, like right here translated, she moved along like a fairy, and that's true enough. That's
Yeah.
a good translation. But literally, she had a fairy traveling. Okay, all right.
The ferry travel.
Yeah,
was
ferry
on her.
travel, yeah. Agus gave echo roipa,
Agus ja,
Agus gav a echo.
Ropa.
roipa, okay?
Ropa.
Okay, so here we see that echo ro. And the ropa would be, roipa would be before her. This is that amalgamated preposition, before her. So he got a fear before her, of her. He felt a fear for her. He became afraid of her. All right, okay. So chai e a stech,
Kai a stech.
a stech. Okay, so translated, he went into the house, but right here, just he went inside. Okay. Agus yun a
Agus yun a
A.
Doris.
Andoras.
Okay, he closed the door.
agus stad.
Agus stat a j
Stat.
a hoper.
Agus dat A. They are.
Agus stat
where?
a j oper.
A hoper. Okay,
A
yeah.
oper.
So he stopped from his work. So today we just say stat a oper. Okay. You see, so one of the ways that this differs, and again, some of this Gaelic is a little bit old. Well, 100 years old, I guess.
Mhm.
So instead of saying a oper,
A hoper.
yeah, his work. Remember what Tim just reminded us? The vowels don't like to hang out together.
Yeah.
Just say oper, which would be his work. Or we'd say an oper echa. An oper echa. The work of him. Okay. And him. So right here we have a oper, and we wouldn't say that today. Okay. All right. So
Yeah.
ayed a hekel air.
But
Ma.
Leert.
It a
Hekel
hekel
air.
air. Okay.
Hekel.
There was such a fear on him. So right here, he was so frightened, but in Gaelic, such yet,
Yet.
okay,
Yet.
such a hekel, fear
Hekel.
Hekel.
on him, air, okay,
Hekel air.
nach turst
Nach
a
Natuurlijk. A.
un
a
akel,
un akel.
Unako.
one word,
Rish.
nach turst, that he didn't say, un akel, rish, then here,
Rish.
Mr. Ben. Sia.
Benshia.
then here.
Oh,
And
Benhia.
here, okay. So he didn't say one word, un achel. So un would lenite,
Un
un
akel.
achel, un and da lenite. Okay. Okay. So rish aventai. And so rish.
So that it lenited the fairy wife too.
That's right. Yeah. Yeah. Rish aven here. Okay. Get a hele.
Get a gale
A.
a
Get a
Yeah.
hele. He had promised.
gale.
So he promised, get though Yel a promised, gun aprak a ria, he would
Gun-
say gun aprak
Brick,
Good opera.
ria,
brick,
Area.
ria
ria.
to her. Okay. Mara herich.
What a headache.
My headache. Being on tight.
What the good
Bianan.
wife used to say,
Bianan.
what the lady of the house, what the woman of the house used to say. Okay, Mara herich benetea. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So let's go on to the song.
Okay.
So, and then I will, I'll send you a follow-up with some of these notes here.
Okay.
And next week we'll come back to this, and I'll make myself a little note that we want to talk about, what was it? Okay. The conditional,
Is it
past.
genitive?
Oh, and the genitive, yeah. Okay, yeah, so we'll have a little bit of the continual. Okay, so we'll have a little grammar lesson next week, along with continuing the story. All right. All right, okay. Let me just, 217, okay. Notes, okay. Where are we? Nope. All right, I think, oh, okay. All right, okay. Now, and I just received it this afternoon, but I'll try to put together a little presentation. I received a paper, a 40-page paper this afternoon. I'm just able to glance at it, but it looks very interesting. It's about songs of the herring cutters. You know, the women in the Isles who at the beginning of the century, you know, the early 1900s, there's a whole industry of fishing. And many women were employed cutting the herring, cutting the fish, you know, chopping them up to, you know, as food, right? To can them and ship them off. And as we might expect, a whole tradition of singing and whole body of special songs, sort of
Yeah,
like
of course.
walking songs. So I'll talk about that next week. I'll digest the paper. Like I said, I just got it this afternoon, just able to glance at it, but it looked very interesting. I thought that's something that we'd like to look at.
They probably have songs for any kind of work.
Yeah, there's songs for any kind of work. Yeah.
In San Diego, there was a Van Camp's cannery, and my grandmother and her sisters worked there. You know, and this is like she was born in 1903, so
Oh,
you
wow.
know, she was young. So
Yeah.
before the 1920s, there was a Van Camp fishery.
There's a couple of them.
Yeah, or not a fishery, a
The
cannery.
cannery.
Yeah.
Because Trinity was out of San Diego.
Mhm.
There's a lot of women worked in the cannery.
Ah.
My great grandfather was a supervisor there.
Was
He
what?
was
A supervisor in one of the canneries.
Oh, at one of the canneries. Oh, wow.
in San Diego?
Yes.
Really?
In 1929.
You know what? That's funny. I bet you they knew each other. I mean, I bet
There
you
was
they
a
like
couple
worked.
Yeah.
No, 'cause my
There might have been a lot of people working there.
Yeah.
no, my Burns side, my great grandfather actually, that's how my grandmother met my grandfather, because my Robert Burns worked there too. And he would I think it was the sardines. He would cook the sardines. I can't think of what it was called. And so my grandma being Mexican, they would eat tortillas and he would share the sardines, and they would bring tortillas and they would eat.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's great.
Sardines and But so she knew my great grandfather before she knew her husband. So
Wow, that's great. Okay. All right, so this is Myrit and Kurit.
Man, the kid.
Marit nan kuret.
Myrit of the tricks of the wiles of, she's wily, wily coyote, something like that. So
Banshee. No.
okay.
Oh, Margaret, huh?
Yeah. Hamulet,
Amulet,
Hamulet, Hamulet.
Halien du autumn heen. Autumn
Alian du autumn heen.
Autumn heen.
Autumn.
Yeah, autumn heen.
Autumn heen.
Yeah, these days we'd probably say autumn heen. It just sounds more natural to me. Autumn heen. Okay. And then the scat. He horno, he horno.
Here, her.
Okay.
Going really fast.
Okay, yeah. Hajay Vingland Irmara.
Havinen
Ajay.
Mana.
Vingen Irmara.
Ving-
Okay.
Vinken.
Vingen.
Vingen?
My Swedish.
Yeah. Much despair in me, Mara.
and Mari.
Mara. Ni nach achik movio.
Ni
The
not
Adak Mo.
achik.
Movio. Okay.
Veil.
A thing that cannot my mouth admit. Something like that.
Oh.
Yeah, that my mouth can't confess it. Okay. Mun, okay, right here we'd say,
Mun,
yeah, mun, mun okana gasta ur,
Okanak,
gasta ur,
Gasta Ur.
yeah, no H, okay. Mun okana gasta ur, want to find youth, find new youth. Varkach non state,
Vorkek,
Washington
State.
State.
okay, okay. Rider of the steeds. And then the ni horon oh it's easier to say once you hear it. Okay.
Moon,
Muntaka mun yeah Muntaka show nuri
so
Montakus on Nuri.
on Uri
Nuri.
last year. Muntaka show about this time last year. Okay. Beholet Murin
Beholet.
Lenam
Hold
Mehut.
Murin Rokiet.
Murin,
Rokiet.
Here.
Kiet.
Before hundreds, Kiet, 100. Rokiet.
Oh,
Oh,
Kiet
but-
Mila Falcha.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Beholet,
100,000 watt.
yeah, Murin Rokiet. You like
Kiet.
my banter above hundreds, before
Ah.
hundreds, okay?
Kiet.
Okay. Chavo Orst Min Bliana.
Havo,
Oh,
Orst,
mean Liana.
Nan
Bliana.
Uli Nan Spare.
Unus non spare.
Okay. This year you like the birds of the air as much. Well, it's more like you don't like no more on me this year than the birds of the air. This is a bad translation. Yeah, I'm sorry. I copied this. So you don't like me this year. Okay. As much as the birds of the air. Okay, that's better. Okay. Nan uli, na uli, nan spare. Na unli, unli,
Spare.
unli, nan
Unli,
un.
Uli.
Okay, not spare. Yeah,
Yun.
it'd be yun would be a bird. Yunli would be birds like all flocks together. Okay. Chanin shmi,
Anin Shmi,
chanin shmi mafur.
Ga,
Meet me.
I will not tell my sister. Mate mochuv astoye.
Mate Mo,
Mochuv
Huv,
mochuv
Mohu,
astoye.
Astoye,
How much I mourn you. The extent of my mourning after you. Nagam mavahir
Nagani Bahar,
arukmi,
Arukmi,
Me.
or to the mother who bore me, rukmi, hurmi hurum nakim.
Hurmi,
Huram
Huram,
Nakim.
Nakim,
I will put weight on her step. I will make her step heavy. Okay. Hasak traum irmachria
Hasak,
Yeah.
Traum,
Yeah.
Ermokria,
Here.
is a sack heavy on my heart, a heavy load on my heart.
Okay.
Nachtog feel nunchet,
Not
Not
to feel, not
Io
Yeah.
Nanche,
that will not lift a fiddle of the strings of the tunes. Okay, that that a fiddle won't that cheerful music won't cheer up. Okay. Achavairit nan kurit,
Akamarit not
Akabarinan Kurit,
Sadana kur ha aram break.
Sadana Kur, Ham, Aram Break,
Yeah, something like is stories that you put aram break, slandered slandered lies aram break. you slandered me, told lies about me. Hiliku Adamsa Ma'alash.
Hurik
honor
tu
sama alis.
Okay, you
samar alis.
cast me up in slander. Okay, Mar'alash.
Alish.
Okay. Nach Buder go embrace.
Na
Nak
bulla
buller
yom na brace.
yov.
Go embrace. Okay,
Go
but I needed a snood. So the snood is the, you know, the, what the scarf that married women wore.
Over their heads, so yeah.
Yeah. So people know that they're married, right? You know, so they wouldn't go around with their, you know, with their hair hanging out and, you know, showing all their charms to, you know,
To the sailors.
to the sailors. Yeah. That's right, okay. Through Elena from Paskuk,
Lennis nan pasta.
Lenev
Pasta.
Foashna Machliev.
For us and clear.
Okay.
Oh,
That there was a child for Osnamochlief under my rib cage, you know.
I was
carrying
pregnant.
it. Yeah.
So she's not showing.
Yeah, not showing yet, but this Myrit is going around telling people that she's pregnant, right? Okay.
Uh-huh.
Kumnat inchi kun vieren.
Kumna inchi den tun
Inchi
spieren.
tun
You know,
Vieren.
why could you not tell the truth? Maar Yinshin Orstein,
Maar ishi no pain.
Maraginchi orst.
Yinshin Orstein, that I would tell about you. You know, so I'd say the truth about you, right?
Mm.
On an lahar mohirna.
En lahem moheren.
Okay, that's short for hirna. Okay, so okay, hirna. Okay, but for the song it's shortened. Van being to ray.
Van bien hooray.
Viren
Okay.
sure.
Presence of my Lord, you know, of God. Okay, and I would be a being is to ray. I would be and you would be on equal terms. Ray means level. Okay. Hiluko Adam Sama Herish.
Autumn summer.
Adam Sama
Autumn
Herish.
Sam.
Sanam
You know,
perish.
despite you threw me up. Guru Mahir an Aish.
Guru mahe
Maher
ahesh.
Anresh.
You know, my father was poor.
Oh.
Okay. Habunin ga Mahir.
Haburen
Mahe.
Ba Maher.
Yeah, literally it says my father was different, but literally it was not the same that my father was. Sagad Dahir Sahain.
Sahasafin.
My father and your father weren't the same. Okay. Habun and Gantayan.
Hamburin nan tayin.
Yantarin.
Okay, was not the same for their houses. Mamlaya Don Grain.
Namlayan
Yon
Grain.
drain.
Okay, at the time of the sun setting. Okay. Sanagavcha and Tayan Dahir.
Sangees
Down
and tayin na
again.
ehas.
Not
Keenus
Natai.
Kraven on Ask.
Kis
Sin.
yaben an ace.
Jin.
Okay, Keen is Kraven on Ask, you know, the heads and bones of
Penis trap.
Kraven. Sanagavcha and
That's,
Tayan
bones.
Segres and tayin maha.
Keen is Kasan on A.
Heen is kassen on
Penis
ain.
Kasan
And on A.
Ane.
Okay, the heads and feet of deer.
So
So,
your dad was a fisherman, my dad hunted.
Yes.
right, something like that. But I think there might be a, I don't know about this. You might have to look this up. There might be kind of a social distinction between those that, you know, that ate fish and those who hunted for deer.
I bet you there was. I bet like a
Yeah,
higher
yeah.
standard.
Yeah. Sort of sounds like it. Okay.
Yeah.
Kines kraven on Ask, Kines kassen on A. Okay, the heads and feet of deer. Okay. So this Myra was going around saying that she was pregnant and her father was poor and all that. So all right, so let's take a look at this. Okay, we'll come back to this next week and study it more closely, but we'll take a look at it now.
I have a sister named Margaret.
Oh, do you? Okay.
My grandma was Margaret.
Okay, okay, okay. All right, let's see, so. Okay, oh, well, this doesn't, all right, let me. Okay, so pause one moment. So put your, so sing along. This has got subtitles on it. And I'm going to make the playback speed a little bit slower just so we can follow along. Okay. And as I said, we'll come back to this next week and study it a little bit more, go back over the lyrics and but this just gives us an introduction. Okay. All right. So, and could you hear it when it played?
Yep.
Okay. Very good. Okay. All right. So let's try it now. I'll mute.
Tamla tamla taljen du aram he. Hiri haran no, hiri haran no.
So I've tried slowing it down even just a little bit more. See if it's a little bit easier to follow. So hope it doesn't distort it too much, but even at 75%, it's still going a little fast. So anyways, so we'll see how this works.
Armen var hen og her, faren byggstude. Hirik har en blå, hirik har en blå. Hilekuaren som gerish maheren yish. Hirik yahora, hirik har en blå. Hadjunen gamar skottar sig. Hirik har en blå, hirik har en blå. Hadjunen väntar genom ett år. Hirik yahora, hirik har en blå. Salen Jørgensen tegner skines graven en gjesh. Hirik har en blå, hirik har en blå. Salen Jørgensen tegner skines kassen en gjesh. Hirik yahora, hirik har en blå. Hirik yahora, hirik har en blå.
Okay, all right. So how did that work?